Hello, my dear friend! This classic logic puzzle got me a free and delicious lunch in Paris café. The café's owner could not solve it even in 5 minutes. Can you make 3 squares by moving 3 matchsticks? You are not allowed to break any of the sticks. Each matchstick has to be part of a square. And the final squares must be of equal size. So, as you see, there are no tricks. You have 1 minute for this task. I am sure you can easily solve this puzzle. Okay, let me show you how exactly I won the lunch in the Paris café. The first move, the second, and the third move of the matchstick. All 3 conditions are followed, and we've got a figure of 3 equal size squares. To ensure that the task was simple, I promptly returned all the matchsticks to their original positions, and within 3 seconds demonstrated an alternative solution. Thanks for watching and see you!